In today's video, I'm going to teach you rotate viewports with MVSETUP in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed a plan or detail to read square to your sheet without changing the actual model, this is the cleanest way to do it. We're going to rotate only the view inside a paper space viewport while keeping your model space orientation exactly as it is. That way, north stays north in model space, and your layout remains presentation ready. First, make sure you're in paper space. In other words, you should be on a Layout tab rather than the Model tab. Paper space is where you arrange title blocks, viewports, and annotations that relate to the printed sheet. Confirm that the viewport you want to affect is visible on the layout. Next, type MVSETUP in the command line and press Enter. MVSETUP is a powerful setup tool that includes options for aligning and rotating views within viewports. After launching the command, choose the Align option, then pick Rotate View. You'll be prompted to select the viewport whose view you want to rotate. Click directly on the viewport boundary so AutoCAD knows which view to work with. Now you'll specify a base point. This point acts like the pivot for the rotation. Pick something meaningful and easy to snap to, perhaps a corner of a building, the center of a column, or a clear intersection. Using an identifiable base point helps you keep the rotation intentional and predictable, especially when you're aligning graphics, north arrows, or text on the sheet. After the base point, enter the rotation angle you want. Positive angles rotate counterclockwise, negative angles rotate clockwise. For example, typing 90 centimeters will rotate the view a quarter turn counterclockwise, while hours will rotate it a quarter turn clockwise. If you only need a slight tweak to make text read better or align a facade horizontally, a small angle like 5 or 10 degrees can do the trick. Keep an eye on your title block orientation as you set the angle, and use a preview to confirm everything reads cleanly. Once you confirm the angle, AutoCAD rotates the view inside that viewport and leaves your model space untouched. This is the key advantage of using MVSETUP for rotation. You're formatting the presentation, not changing the design. Any other viewports that look at the same model will remain exactly as they were unless you rotate them too. That's it. With just MVSETUP, Align, and Rotate View, you can present drawings clearly, match sheet standards, and keep your model orientation consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.